Hello, I'm George Joseph, President and CEO of Dade County Federal Credit Union. Buying or leasing a car shouldn't be stressful. Today I'll answer questions and give you some of my car buying tips.
Should I buy a car or lease a car?
As much as you may not want to hear it, it all depends. If you were to go the route of having a lease rather than purchasing a vehicle, obviously the payments are going to be less. But in the long run, if you do travel a lot or your job requires long distances, you may end up having to pay a lot of money out of pocket for the additional miles that you traveled during the lease program. However, if you were to purchase a car, while your payments may be higher, you will actually have the salvage value or the value after the 5 or 6 years of paying for this car. So in addition to that, you won't have to pay for any additional miles or significant mileage that you may have put on the car during your loan period.
What advice would you give your son or daughter when purchasing their first car?
We were all young once, and we can understand when our children say to us, "Mom or Dad, I really want this car." What we need to do as parents is to explain to them that in reality, we need to get for you, my son or my daughter, a car that's reliable, one that you can afford, one where the expense associated with maintaining it is not as expensive. And we also need to use that opportunity probably to explain to them why it's important to try to either get a part-time job or a full-time job, depending on whether they're in college or not, to help defray the expense associated with getting them a car.
Should I give a large down payment when buying a car?
Your monthly payments on a car would all depend on how much you put down initially. As we previously discussed on this program, a perfect opportunity for that tax refund, if you did get one, would be to use it as a down payment so you could try to keep the monthly expense associated with your car to one that's affordable.
Is it true I can go to the credit union rather than the dealership to purchase a car?
The answer to that question is yes. At Dade County Federal, we have a special program that we call Dade, the Dade Auto Desk. We have specialists on staff that will help you determine the type of car that you want. We negotiate directly with the dealer. Again, you never have to walk into a dealership or negotiate with a dealer. We will do all of this in advance for you. We will get you the best price possible. We also, at the same time, would get you the best possible interest rate that you qualify for. Then we have the products that protect you against mechanical breakdowns with the vehicle. In the event your car is stolen, there's a program called GAP. And we put all of these together along with the price of the vehicle and the interest that you're charged to come up with a monthly payment that is affordable and meets your budget.
For more information on Dade County Federal Credit Union, visit Dcfcu.org. And remember, you can watch another Get Financially Fit segment next Thursday on 6 in the Mix.
Remember, with Dade County Federal Credit Union, you can do that!
Dade County Federal Credit Union.
Get Financially Fit is sponsored by Dade County Federal Credit Union.